crores 50 lakhs 78,000 under demand number 17, Municipal Administration and Urban Development.
I request the Minister for Labour and Employment to move the demand number 20, Labour and Employment.
Speaker, sir, I beg to move that the government be granted a sum not exceeding rupees 542 crores 19 lakhs 58,000 under demand number 20, Labour and Employments.
I request the Minister for Forest and Environment and Endowments to move the demand number 26, Administration of Religious Endowments, demand number 29, Forest, Science, Technology and Environment, demand number 3, Administration of Justice.
Speaker, sir, I beg to move that the government be granted a sum not exceeding rupees 414 crores 45 lakhs 27,000 under demand number 26, Administration of Religious Endowments. Adhyaksha, I beg to move that the government be granted a sum not exceeding rupees 1471 crores 34 lakhs 32,000 under demand number 29, Forest, Science and Technology and Environment. I beg to move that the government be granted a sum not exceeding rupees 1,414 crores 31 lakhs 8,000 under demand number 3, Administration of Justice.
I request the Minister for Energy to move the demand number 35, Energy.
అధ్యక్ష, అభ్యర్థన నెంబర్ 35 ఇంధనం క్రింద రూపాయలు 9,486 కోట్ల 92 లక్షల 13,000కు మించిన సొమ్మును ప్రభుత్వానికి మంజూరు చేయవలసిందిగా ప్రతిపాదిస్తున్నాను.
I request the Minister for Education to move the demand number 12, School Education, demand number 13, Higher Education, demand number 14, Technical Education.
Adhyaksha, I beg to move that the government be granted a sum not exceeding rupees 16,050 crores 40 lakhs 70,000 under demand number 12, School Education. I beg to move that the government be granted a sum not exceeding rupees 2,541 crores 74 lakhs 84,000 under demand number 13, Higher Education. I beg to move that the government be granted a sum not exceeding rupees 459 crores 25 lakhs 75,000 under demand number 14, Technical Education.
Demands are moved. Cut motion number 55 to 111.